Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel. On my channel, I like doing unboxing and try-on videos from clothing subscription services. So if you like those kind of videos, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join me. And for my returning subscribers, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, guys, I am so excited. I got my brand new Stitchfix for the month of October and I can't wait to open it and see what I got. Last month, I didn't get any Stitchfix box, so I am really jonesing for my Stitchfix. For those of you who don't know what Stitchfix is, though, let me give you the quick little rundown. Stitchfix is an online styling service. You go online, you'll fill out a style profile. They ask you what you like, what you don't like, what's your size, what's your favorite colors. They'll go through all the questions with you. And you fill it out, and for $20, you will get your own personal stylist who will put together 5 looks for you. You receive them in the mail just like I did, and you'll have 3 days to try everything on in the comfort of your own home. And you only pay for what you keep, and you send back the rest for free. It's free shipping both ways. And they even give you the envelope to send it back in. Anything you keep, your $20 styling fee will be subtracted off of your total. And if you keep all 5 items, you'll get a 25% discount. And also, if you have never tried Stitchfix and would like to try it for the first time, I will leave a link down below. If you click on that, you will get a $25 credit off your first box. So it will be like trying it for free for the first time. And I will get a $25 credit, so it'll be a win for both of us. Okay, so now with all that said, we're gonna get straight into the box and see what they sent. Okay, I'm all ready. Now I've already cut the tape on it and I did peek a little bit, so I kinda know what I'm getting. Some of you know how to look on the app and you can see what they're gonna send you right before you get it. So I know what I got and it looks promising. Like Stitchfix is always good though. And I have a stylist, her name is Jasmine. I hope I still got her. But here is what you receive. This is the little envelope with all the billing and all the information. And there's also a note from your stylist in here. And here is the return mailer I was telling you about. Anything I don't like, I simply put back in here, send it back to Stitchfix. It's free shipping, no problem. Now here's inside the box. Right here on the label, if you don't know what to do for your first time, it goes over everything. It's really, really simple and easy to understand, guys. Just trust me on this. You won't regret it. And, oh, oops. I just put my fingernail right through the bag. But this is how it comes. It comes very nicely wrapped in this tissue paper. And here is a bundle of clothes. Here's a little peekaboo. Yeah, I know there's a pair of jeans and some shirts in here. So let's get straight into opening it and see what we got this month. Now on the style cards, you can see in the middle is the item you receive. And the nice thing about this is they give you some ways, some ideas of how to style it. Like I got these pair of jeans and it gives me some ideas of maybe what kind of shoes to pair with it, what kind of top. And they do that with each item that they send you. So these style cards are really handy. Okay, so with all that said, let's get straight into the try-on and see how everything looks. Okay, guys, I am back. I have received 5 items this time, and I have tried all 5 items on. And I'm not going to give too much away, but I can tell you it's not going to be a 5 for 5. But I am going to need your opinion. I'm thinking of only keeping 1 to 2 pieces, and I'm very unsure. Usually, I'm pretty sure on what I really like and what I really don't like, but there's like 3 shirts and I really have like big question marks. I don't know. I like them, but then some of them are too youthful maybe, but then maybe am I being super critical today? I don't know. So I'm gonna lean heavily on you guys. I went ahead and got an extension. So this does not have to be back in the mail till Monday, October 21st. So that's going to give it this whole weekend for me to see what you guys think. Maybe you're one or two, or maybe none. Maybe you think I should send them all back. Please leave your comments down below. It really helped me decide today. Okay, so with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get straight into the outfits. She gave me 1 pair of jeans and 4 shirts. So I left the jeans on and just swapped out the shirts on each outfit. Now, since I left the jeans on with everything, we're going to start with that at first. Start with the jeans. These are the 1822 Denim Bertina side slit distressed skinny jeans in the color indigo, size 8 for $48. They have all working pockets, a functional zipper. They're very super stretchy. They were very super comfortable. I like that about them. The hemline I liked a lot. I tried to show you in the video. It has a split on each side, like on the inside ankle and on the outside ankle. And I don't have any with splits on both sides. Now, with that being said, there's only one thing I did not like about these, and I know I don't want to keep these, so you guys don't have to vote on these. I like them, but she asked me what I thought about the distressed, and I liked the distress, but if it has distress, like you can see in the video, like where I move my leg, you can see the skin. I do not mind distress if it has material behind it. So that's why I'm not going to keep them, just simply because of that. I live in Ohio, so this is not going to work for very long at all. So these are going back. So I'm not going to need your opinion too much on these, but I thought they were pretty cute overall. The 9 Britton. The 9 Britton Billie tie front brushed knit top in taupe, size medium for $40. Now this is the material, it was 79% rayon, 17% polyester, and 4% spandex. Now I like this shirt, it's very lightweight. She described it perfect. This is a good layering piece. Like you could put a cardigan with this. It's not going to bunch up under your cardigan, you know, like a really thick kind of top would do. So it's very thin. It's good for layering. I like that about it. I'm a little unsure about the rayon, if it would shrink up. I liked it. I love the front. The front was so cute with the little bow. I really liked it, and I liked how it pulled down. It was just, I'm concerned that if it would shrink, then it would, I'm going to get a one-use wear out of it. So for that reason, that's the question mark on this. Okay, so then I just switch out the tops. Like I said, I leave the same jeans on for all of it. And this was the Letty and Me Lynne back detail pullover in a light gray with white stripes, size medium for $44. And the material on this one is 79 rayon, 21 polyester. So it does have a rayon polyester blend, and once again, it is very super thin, good for layering. And this was the top that she said in my style card. She requested that I put a denim jacket on with some white sneakers. And that's what I did. What did you guys think of that look? Do you think that's a good look? And see, this is where the question mark on this one comes. I like the shirt, but I'm not sure about it. Like, I'm leaning heavily on this one. I liked it when I put it on. I liked the white, the stripes. It felt bright. I liked how it came down longer in the back. So I'm really liking this shirt, but I'm not quite sure. It was like, I don't know, like, why am I so undecided today, guys? So let me know what you guys thought of the Letty and Me. And did you like the way she thought I should style it with the denim jacket and the white sneakers? Okay, now those two tops I'm really gonna lean heavily on. This one, I liked it. It's an off the shoulder top, guys, but I don't know. See, this is what I do with every shirt. She sent me 4 shirts and I'm like, I don't know. Okay, this was the Mason and Belle. It's called the Carlita off the shoulder in a dark pink, size medium for $38. Okay, I liked it, but I didn't love it. I liked, like, I tried to lift up my arms to see if it would bounce up like this, and it didn't. It stayed down 90% of the way. It rose up just slightly, just a little bit, but not enough to be annoying. You know, it didn't close up on me. So I like that about it. I like the color. I just don't know if I'm in love with it. And I'm gonna need your opinion, guys. This is, all 4 shirts are like this. So please, you guys let me know what you think. But I thought the pattern was really beautiful. But I just felt like it had more of a youthful look too. And I don't know, maybe because of the off the shoulder, it looked more spring-like than fall-like. But then I could be wrong. I don't know. See, this is me. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna keep saying this. I don't know. This was the Fun to Fun MALEY pleated detail top in black, size medium for $48. Now I like this. I like, once again, she described it perfect. Lightweight, great for a layering piece. You could easily put a cardigan on with this. It's not going to bulky. It's not going to bulk up under your clothes. So I liked all 4 shirts for very thin, good layering pieces. 2 thumbs up on the good, you know, layering pieces. But this is 100% rayon, which once again, it will, you know, shrink. And you got to be careful with that. But, well, what is the instructions here? It says machine wash cold, bleach when needed, line dry. So yeah, you have to line dry these. You cannot put these in the dryer. But I really like this one, so I don't know. So guys, please let me know what you think. Now, if I would keep all 5 items, which I already know I'm not, I'm only going to keep 1 or 2. And if I would have kept all 5 pieces, it would have came to $218, $54.50 discount. So my subtotal would have come to $163.50, then actually subtract another $20 off for my styling credit. And for all 5 pieces, it would be $143.50. But like I said, the jeans are not going to be a keeper because there's no material behind the distressing. So Jasmine, you asked what I thought. If you keep material behind the distressing, I'll do it. But if it's open legged like that, especially being in Ohio, I won't keep it. So with that, okay, I'm not going to keep the jeans. And I don't really think I'm going to keep the off the shoulder top. But I will keep an open mind, guys. If you guys tell me I'm crazy and I should really keep this, and an overwhelming majority say keep this, I'll listen to you guys. Because I did like it. I was unsure. I felt it was more spring-like, but I could be wrong. So for me, my top 3 contenders would be the black floral, the white and gray stripe, and just the solid gray top with the tie in the front. Which 1, 2, or 3 items do you think I should keep? Or do you think you didn't care for any of them? Let me know. I'm open-minded on this fix. I'm very undecided. So I am hopefully going to get this all edited. Like I said, today is October 15th. I would love to get this up by tonight. If not, I will get it up on the 16th tomorrow, which will be Wednesday. That'll give me the whole weekend to collect all your thoughts and opinions and tell me which 1 or 2 pieces I should keep, or if I should keep any. Okay, guys, so if you are enjoying my videos, please click and like and subscribe and do all that good stuff. And until next time, guys, I will see you later. Bye-bye.